Hey guys, and welcome back to HelpClick. In this video, I'll show you what the PurePod Produce Cleaner is and what it offers and how it works. So let's get started. According to the official website, the PurePod websites or PurePod is a reusable produce cleaning device designed to help cleaning fruits, vegetables using only water. The company says that it uses water activation technology to help lift away surface residue, waxes, and other common impurities without basically requiring any soap or the detergent or even some chemical cleaning solutions. According to the website, the device is rechargeable and reusable and designed for everyday kitchen use. The company says that it can help improve the freshness and natural taste of basically produce while fitting easily into a regular food preparation routine. It also highlights that the device requires no placement filter or consumable cleaning products. And of course, before purchasing, make sure to take a few minutes to review the product's information and make sure it offers the features that you are looking for. It's always a good idea to carefully read the instructions and do your own research before placing an order. And according to the official instruction, you'll have to first rinse away any visible dirt from your fruits, vegetables, and next you'll have to fill basically a clean bowl or sink basically with enough water to fully cover the produce and place the produce into the water, submerge basically the device and turn it on and allow it to complete the recommended cleaning cycle. And of course, then remove produce or the produce, give it a final rinse with clean water and dry or serve it as usual. As you can see here, they do have frequently asked question page. So if you have any question, you can ask them from, or you can basically just read the answer from here. Or you can, if you scroll down to the bottom of the page, you'll find this example, add a review if you want to add a review if you buy it. Or you have a contact section if you have any other informations that are not visible or are not added in the frequently asked question. So if you want or if you decide to purchase the Pure Pod, you'll have to visit the official website, choose your preferred package if they do have any as example. So sometimes the package will have one, two, as you can see. So then click on buy now, enter any like shipping details and payment information and any other on-screen instructions, follow them. But before completing your purchase, it's always a good idea to review the pricing, shipping information, warranty, and return policy so you know exactly what you're ordering. Taking a few extra minutes to review these details and doing your own research is always recommended and preferred. And as with any other kitchen appliance, just make sure to follow the manufacturer instruction carefully and do your own research and only use the products as directed and if you believe in it. So if you found this helpful, hit that like and subscribe button and watch our next video.